Hello everyone, I am Anand and I welcome you to CRS Info Solutions. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how you can render multiple templates in Lightning Web Component. And I will walk you through each step slowly so you will understand it clearly. Make sure you keep a pen and notebook ready so we will write some notes and do hands-on coding together. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel CRS Info Solutions for more Salesforce related content. So let's jump onto the Visual Studio Code. Here we have to create one Lightning Web component with the label name as MISC Multiple Templates. So just right click on it and select SFDX Create Lightning Web Component and write MISC multiple templates. So pressing enter in this and choose the default directory where we have to save these components. Pressing enter. Here you can see a lightning web component created successfully. So start writing code here in JS file. So first we will import the additional templates we will be creating soon. So import template 1 from dot slash template 1.html. Like this we have to import another template. Import template 2 from. Okay, now let's start writing code here, and please make a note about the about this syntax that we have imported two templates here. Write the first point. Dot slash means these files are within the same component folder. Point number 2, if they were in another component, you would write C hyphen component name, or you can write drive name before the slash, after that the component name. Now let's create a variable to track which template to render. So here we have to write template 1 enabled equals to true. Now we will use the special render lifecycle method that automatically gets called when the component loads. So start writing render function render return this dot template enabled 1 template 1 enabled question mark template 1 column template 2. Okay. Here what we do, if template enabled is true, then template 1.html will render. If it is false, then template 2.html will render. This is like an if-else method, and this method we use here, this is a ternary operator. Okay. Now let's add a method to toggle between two templates. So president. switch template. This dot template one enabled equals to exclamation mark. This dot template one enabled. Okay, this function simply switches the value of template1 enabled every time it is called. Now let's create template1.html. So first save this file and let's create template1.html. Right click on this component folder and select new file. Here enter the label name as template1.html. Template1.html. Pressing enter. Now write the code here. Template lightning card title equals to template fun. Create one div. This is template one. Template one. P class equals to slds hyphen m slash vertical underscore small. Okay. Lightning button. Lightning hyphen button. Label equals to switch template. Switch template. On click. Switch template. So here we have written our HTML file code. Save this file. And now let's quickly create template2.html by copying the same code and changing the label. So let's create another file template2.html. So select here new file template2.html with this same code to your LWC. Change this label template2. Finally, open your js-meta.xml file and change the settings is exposed set to true, targets, save this file. Let's save this file. Here in JavaScript file we found some errors, so we have to import these files again. So we will get the HTML file from here. Let's import the second HTML. Okay, we have removed all the errors, so save this file here and let's deploy this Lightning Web component to the org. Deploy this source to org. A Lightning Web component deployed successfully to the org. So let's move to the org and see what we have created in this Lightning Web component. Here we have opened our org. So move to this account record page by pressing this gear icon. Edit this page. And here on the left side we have to search our Lightning Web component that we have created, MISC. So here we can see our Lightning Web component successfully deployed to the org. So drag this Lightning Web component and drop it here. Save this and move back to the page and refresh it. Here you can see template 1 by default. Click the switch template button and it will toggle to template 2. Here we can see that after clicking the switch template, our template gets changed to 2. Then switch to template 1. Now then switch to template 2. This is how our Lightning Web component works. So you have now learned how to render multiple templates in a Lightning Web component and switch between them dynamically. In upcoming videos, I will show you how to apply CSS styles to LWC as well as other Lightning Web components. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel CRS Info Solutions and press the bell icon for more Salesforce related content. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, happy coding.